If you've watched any of my jewelry making tutorials on YouTube, then you will have seen me use this mat. I use it in almost every single video. In fact, one of my most asked questions is, where did I get my beading mat? Well, this mat I'm going to talk to you about today is not in fact a beading mat. It is a Waffle Flower water media mat, and it is meant for using with watercolors. I absolutely love this mat. I've been using it for about 4 years now, and the beauty of it is it's made from silicone, so it is nice and sticky. It actually suctions to my desk so that it doesn't move when I'm beading. The other great thing is it's got these 12 pallets here, and they are absolutely perfect for putting my beads in and sorting them and holding them so they don't roll away, and I just love that. The frame outside of the mat here is wonderful as well, because you put your beads on here and they don't roll off. It is great. The other thing I love about this mat is that it rolls up really nice and small for storage. So I can just roll it up like this, obviously not with my beads on. It cleans up really nicely. I do have a couple of stains on my mat, but that is because I spilt glue on it. But it did clean up quite well. I just left it a little bit too long. But it is a fantastic mat. As I said, I've been using it for 4 years and I absolutely love it. Every beader, in my opinion, needs one of these Waffle Flower water media mats.